The Black Helicopters. This is a true story. In the late 1960s, entire cities across the United States reported the same thing. Black helicopters, flying low, unmarked, appearing out of nowhere and disappearing without a trace. People described the same pattern. Helicopters would appear shortly after sightings of strange lights in the sky, or after animals were found mutilated on isolated farms. They never landed. They just circled, watching. When residents called the police, the response was always the same: military exercise. But there were no records of training at any of those locations. Journalists who tried to investigate found locked doors and files that had simply disappeared. In 1975, in Nebraska, ranchers reported that after one of these helicopters flew by, cattle were found drained of blood, without eyes, and with surgical cuts impossible for wild animals to make. The government called it mass hysteria. A police officer even photographed one of these helicopters. The film was developed, but the image disappeared before it was published. To this day, no one knows who took it, not even the photographer's family. What's intriguing is that identical reports have emerged in other countries: Canada, England, even Brazil. Always of unmarked black helicopters, always after UFO sightings, and always denied by authorities. Witnesses swear they didn't hear any propeller noise. The sound was metallic, almost electric. And some said that when they looked directly at them, they felt as if they were being watched back. To this day, no one knows who piloted these helicopters, but many believe they are still flying silently above our heads.